I am back again with another hair review on this candy cornish wig. Now, I know this is very bright and colorful in the front, but it's actually subtle to me. It's very subtle, and it's only got like 3 colors. But anyway, I'm gonna tell you who I am wearing. This is one of Bobbi Boss's wigs, and it is part of the 13x7 club wigs that I've kind of reviewed. I think I've reviewed one other one, but her name is Jacintha, and I have her in the color 3T Candy Corn right there. Now this wig, it has the 13x7 lace frontal, so it has a lot of parting space. And the only reason why I didn't do like a ponytail or anything like that, because I really liked the middle part and how it was looking and the colors coming together, so I kind of left it alone. But let's go into some pros of this hair. The pros is that it is big head friendly. I have this, I think, not even all the way on my adjustable straps, and there's also an elastic band in the wig as well. So I don't even have the elastic band really tight. I don't have the adjustable straps far or anything, and it's kind of loose in my head, but it's still secure. So I really do think it's big head friendly. As far as the texture, it's giving me like a it's not yucky, it's giving me like a silky but not too silky texture. Like, it's one of those textures where if you have permed hair and somebody comes and straightens it even more, if that makes any sense, but it's not yucky. And it's also, I'm gonna say it's about 24 to 26 inches. So it's not super long, but it is a long unit. I'm 5'3", and it comes right here, like under my boobs, and it comes like right a little bit above my butt. So it's a nice textured wig. Now, as far as the parting, it has a lot of parting space. I really do like the parting, but for this wig, I feel like I would just keep it in the middle part, because I really do like the colors. Because if you put it up, I mean, you'll still see the colors, but I don't know. This is probably like my favorite style for this wig. Now, the baby hairs. Bobbi Boss and these 13x7 wigs, they come with like massive, lengthy, thick baby hair. It took me about 15 minutes to pluck this baby hair because it looked like a bang, and I made the mistake and I didn't pluck the baby hair on my other wig, which I'll this is hair getting distracted because of shedding, but I'll leave a link down below of the other video that I'm talking about, because the baby hair is just so thick, and I'm just like, I have to pluck this, I have to. So I was trying to give Bobbi Boss benefit of the doubt with this baby hair, but I had to pluck it. So I plucked it, and luckily the orange part is baby hair, because I don't know how it would look with blonde baby hair. This is not even blonde. This is like, oh, platinum blonde, baby blonde, maybe so. But I really do love this wig. It's so pretty. Shedding. Shedding shedding is medium to a little, that makes sense. Like it's shedding, but it's not like a lot of shedding. And I'm trying to figure out if it's because I was plucking the baby hairs. I just got some more shedding. I'm trying to see if it's because I plucked the baby hairs or it's because it's actually shedding. But I actually played with this wig a while ago and I put it on. I was playing dress up with her, blah, blah, blah. And then I put it back in the box and I didn't comb it. And it didn't take that long to detangle. So the tangling for right now is minimum. I don't have any problems with tangling or anything like that. I mean, it's gonna tangle because it's synthetic, but it's not like massive like those wood-lace wigs. I love those wigs to death, but they know how to tangle. Now this hair is I think it's curling iron safe. Now this is custom plucked hairline. The hairline, I will say yes. There's nothing wrong with the hairline. And I didn't add any baby hair, but I did add, I sprayed the inside. Hold on, let me show you. I sprayed the inside of my wig on the lace with this. This is like a game changer when it comes to trying to get the lace looking like your scalp. If you all want to see a video of that, I can make one in detail of how I did it. And also I can do an in detail video of how I plucked the baby hairs. But I didn't add any concealer or anything. It's just the Sally Hansen airbrush that I put. I think it's looking nice. You know, for this being a baby blonde wig and all. Cap construction. I am running off of the mouth. So cap construction, there are 2 combs in the front, but they're like in the middle. 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and there is an elastic band. So if you feel that you don't want to glue this down, which I don't have this glue down, you can use the adjustable strap and you can tighten that and it can be really secure. Now, if you want to lazily use the adjustable strap, you can use glue. I mean, either way, it's still, you can glue it or you don't have to. It's pretty secure. This is cute. Lovelies. Oh, one other thing. Now, y'all know I love me some lashes. So I am wearing, Lord, y'all can't get me to pronounce that. I'm gonna say it's Teach. So this is from Keidra's Kreations. She sent me these lashes, and her lashes are like mythology themed. So this is like a Greek goddess, I believe, and it's T-Y-C-H-E. This is what I'm wearing. It's very dramatic. So when when the clubs and stuff do open, or you just want to go out and, you know, I don't know, happy hour, brunch, stuff like that, you can wear these. I think they're cute. Well, lovelies, I appreciate you all coming back again and watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share all of my videos. And until the next time, I can't even do my outro right. Until next time, lovelies, stay lovely.